Translating English to Tagalog. Back down. Example, he had to back down when he realized he was wrong.
Umatras, umurong, halimbawa, kinailangan niyang umatras nang mapagtanto niyang mali siya.
Blow up. Example, the bomb blew up in the city center.
Sumabog, halimbawa, sumabog ang bomba sa gitna ng lungsod.
Break down. Example, my car broke down on the highway.
Masira, huminto sa paggana, halimbawa, nasira ang kotse ko sa highway.
Bring up. Example, don't bring up that topic again.
Banggitin, halimbawa, huwag mo nang banggitin ulit ang paksang iyon.
Bump into. Example, I bumped into my old friend at the mall.
Makasalubong, halimbawa, nakasalubong ko ang dating kaibigan ko sa mall.
Call off. Example, they had to call off the meeting due to the storm.
Kanselahin, halimbawa, kinailangan nilang kanselahin ang pulong dahil sa bagyo.
Check on. Example, please check on the baby while I'm cooking.
Silipin, tingnan kung okay, halimbawa, pakisilip ang sanggol habang nagluluto ako.
Check out. Example, we need to check out of the hotel by noon.
Tingnan, suriin, magbayad sa pag-alis, halimbawa, kailangan nating magbayad sa pag-alis sa hotel bago magtanghalian.
Check with. Example, I need to check with my boss before making a decision.
Kumonsulta, halimbawa, kailangan kong kumonsulta sa boss ko bago gumawa ng desisyon.
Cut down. Example, you should cut down on your sugar intake.
Bawasan, putulin, halimbawa, dapat mong bawasan ang pagkain mo ng matamis.
Drop by. Example, I'll drop by your house later.
Dumaan, halimbawa, dadaan ako sa bahay mo mamaya.
Drop off. Example, can you drop me off at the train station?
Ihatid, halimbawa, maaari mo ba akong ihatid sa istasyon ng tren?
Fall apart. Example, the old building is starting to fall apart.
Mawasak, gumuho, halimbawa, ang lumang gusali ay nagsisimula ng mawasak.
Find out. Example, I need to find out the truth.
Alamin, halimbawa, kailangan kong alamin ang katotohanan.
Fill up. Example, please fill up the tank with gas.
Punuin, halimbawa, pakipunuin ang tangke ng gasolina.
Get along. Example, they get along very well.
Magkasundo, halimbawa, sila ay magkakasundo ng mabuti.
Get away. Example, the thief managed to get away.
Makatakas, halimbawa, ang magnanakaw ay nakuhang makatakas.
Get over. Example, he had to get over his fear of public speaking.
Malampasan, halimbawa, kinailangan niyang malampasan ang kanyang takot sa pagsasalita sa harap ng maraming tao.
Give up. Example, don't give up on your dreams.
Sumuko, halimbawa, huwag kang sumuko sa iyong mga pangarap.
Go on. Example, the show must go on.
Magpatuloy, halimbawa, kailangang magpatuloy ang palabas.
Grow up. Example, he grew up in a small town.
Lumaki, halimbawa, lumaki siya sa isang maliit na bayan.
Hold on. Example, hold on, I'll be right back.
Maghintay, kumapit, halimbawa, maghintay ka, babalik ako agad.
Look after. Example, she looks after her younger siblings.
Alagaan, halimbawa, inaalagaan niya ang kanyang mga nakababatang